Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pricing table page like this with Tailwind. If you like this video, feel free to click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Okay, let's get started. I've set it up a Tailwind Basics project on my desktop over here. If you don't know how to set up a Basics Tailwind project, watch my previous video. I will put the link of the video in the description. Alright, let's open this project with Visual Studio Code. Okay. And then let's go to index.html. Let's open terminal and run this project. npm run dev, hit enter. And then open this file with live server. Okay, for the initial basics Tailwind application, you will get something like this. Alright, the next step, let's remove this one. And then let's change the background color of the body to be gradients. BG gradient to right from blue 500. For the middle color, I will put blue 400. And for the last color, I will put slate 500. You have to create a div inside here. Okay. And then put class container. Let's put something over here. Hello. Save. Let's see if there is a background. So we have the gradient background color like this. Alright, the next step, let's create a card. Okay, create div. Then put class and width should be 1/4 and background color should be slate 500. And then the box should be rounded 2XL. And padding bottom should be 8. And shadow should be large. Save. Inside here, let's create a div. And then let's put basics over here. Then put class over here. For the basics, I want background color to be darker color. So I put BG slate 900. Text should be white. And rounded top should be 2XL. Save. Let's take a look. So we get something like this. I need text to be at the center. Okay, I put text center. We get text center. Okay. The next step, we want it to be text large. So I put LG. Extra large. And font should be semi-bold. Then padding bottom should be 12 and padding top should be 4. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, this looks good. The next step, we will create a pricing bar and it should be a circle. So let me create a div here. Let's create a div over here. I'm going to put class and then text 4XL. Text should be very large and font should be bold. The box should be inline flex. And should have item center, justify center, and text should be center. Background color BG slate 900. Border should be white. Border should be 4. And then it should be rounded full to make the box to be circle. And width should be 20 and height should be 20. Let's create a div inside here. Div. And put class flex. And text should be white. Okay, let's create $12 over here. Let's save. You will see something like this. I want this circle to align at the center and move it up a little bit. Alright, let me make the screen small. Okay, let me open Visual Studio Code. Okay, over here I will put class flex justify center items center. Save. So you will see $12 is at the center right now. And then I'm going to move it up a little bit. In this div, I'm going to put relative And then I put minus top 6. Save. Okay, this look good. The next step, we are going to create plans detail at the bottom of this circle box. So over here and here, I create div and I put class empty 4, margin top 4. And then let's create a list UL and then create li and put a span and then put 1, put user over here. Save. Okay, you see the list over here. So let's create another list. Paste is over here. So over here I put project. It's 10 projects and 10 gigabyte storage. 10 emails. What next? Support. Okay. 24/7 support and then control panel. Control panel. Okay, if you full screen, okay, this look good. I want the text to be at the center. Okay, class text center. See, the text is at the center. Text should be large. Okay, text is large right now. Font should be semi-bold. And for the number here, for the span here, I want it to be white. Class text white. Okay, I copy this class and apply it to all list. Okay, this look good. Because this is the basic plan, I want to cross out support and control panel. So I put class over here. Then I put line through. Copy this class and put it over here. The next step, I'm going to create a purchase button at the bottom. So over here, I create div and I put class flex justify center items center. Then I put a tag. href is hashtag and put class. And over here, I put buy now. Alright, let's style the button. Okay, BG slate 900. Tag should be white. Okay, let me put padding over here. Padding y-axis 2 and padding on x-axis is 5. Font semi-bold. And what else? I need border to be 2 and then border color should be slate 900. And then rounded should be LG. Okay, the button is too close to control panel. So I'm going to put margin top over here, 5 over here. Okay, this look good. When I point mouse on the button, I want it to change to the outline button. So I put hover over here, then I put BG slate 900. Save. So when I point mouse over here, why it doesn't change? It should be slate 500. See? And then over here I put hover text slate 900. Save. Okay, this look good. Let's make the hover smoother. So let's put transition and put duration. Time for transition is 3 milliseconds. Okay, this look good. Alright, we've finished created a first card. The next step is copy this card to create the second and the third card. Okay, let me copy this 1, 2, 3 card over here. So we copy this card to 3 card. Okay, we have 3 card right now, but I want this card to sit side by side. So in container over here I put flex. Okay, and I need gap for it to be 10. Okay, you can see the gap of each card, and I want this box to be at the center, so I put MX auto. Okay, it's at the center right now. Or instead of 1/4, I think we should write 1/3 over here. Sorry, change this one to be 1/3. Okay, this look good. So I want this box to be at the center. So over here I put justify center and then item center, and I put the height should be screen height. So it's at the center right now. Okay, this look good. So let's change the color of this one to be blue, so it will be outstanding. So at the second box over here, this is the first box and this is the second box. Over here we put standard. Okay, and let's change the background color to be blue. This box should be blue. Okay, all right, this blue, and this one should be blue too. Okay, and let's change everything inside here to be blue in the second box. Okay, and what else? The button should be blue. Okay, blue, and border should be blue. When we hover on it, should be blue as well. Change this one to be blue. Okay, I want the second box to be bigger than other box, so I put scale on it over here. So I put scale 110. Okay, let's go bigger. Alright, when you look at here, alright, this look good. Okay, let's change the details over here. The second plan, the standard plan. Okay, price should be 22 and users should be 10 users, and this one can be 50 and 50 GB storage and 50 emails. Okay, this look good. For the last card, I'm going to put expert instead of standard. Okay, it's become expert. The price should be 32 and then support 100 users, 100 project, and 100 gigabyte, 100 emails. Okay, this look good. As you can see right now, the page doesn't support responsiveness. I want the page to be responsive design. Okay, let's make it support responsive together. Over here in the container, alright. If it's a small screen, I will put flex column. But if it's a big screen, I will put MD flex row. And for the small screen, we don't need justify center. We only need for big screen, so I put MD in front of it. Over here I put MD in front of this as well. And I might need padding to be 10, and for the big screen I put SM, padding is 0. Save. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, the card align in one column, but the width is not full width. So for the MD screen, we put width is 1/3. Alright, let me small this one. This one for MD screen, width of the card is 1/3. But for the small screen, the width is full width. And at the scale, I put MD because only the big screen, the card will be scaled. Okay, this look good, see? Let's inspect it and then change this one to be iPhone SE. Okay, this look good. How about it is iPhone XR? This look good. How about iPad Air? Okay. Alright, this look good. This is all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment down below.